Visual Studio gives you many options for binding with build events and Git hooks. But before getting into that, let me explain that I have implemented an easy way to organize your gulp files by breaking it up into smaller, more manageable gulp files. I'll talk about that as well as other techniques that you can use NodeJS and Gulp later in this course. But in the meantime, here are all the events that you can bind to using Gulp. Before build, after build, clean, and project opens. Many Microsoft developers have switched over to using a Git repository for source control. Visual Studio can use Git hooks to trigger executing custom code, which can do just about anything. You must name the file of your custom code with a specific name that corresponds with a Git event. And by placing your custom code in a folder named Hooks in the Git folder, your custom code will execute whenever that Git event occurs. Here's a list of Git events that you can hook into. I normally like to use the pre-commit Git hook to trigger the creation of a release build because I always do a commit before I publish to the server.